Welcome to another edition of Judge the World with Judge the Beast. And today, I have a treat for you. We are going to be doing a beautiful unboxing of one of the smallest smart speakers there are out there, brought to you by way of Apple. Ladies and gentlemen, we have the brand new HomePod Mini. We are going to be digging into this bad boy, checking out sound quality, and seeing if it's worth its price tag of $99, which I don't think is actually that bad for a smart speaker, especially something coming from Apple. You already know how Apple likes to do. They like to upcharge the heck out of everything. So we are going to see if it is worth every little bit of the 99 buckaroos that you and I all are going to pay when we buy the new HomePod Mini. So let's dig into this bad boy right here. As of right now, I don't have any like special knives or anything crazy like that to dig into this thing, but either way, it is always so refreshing to take plastic off an Apple product. Let's see what kind of presentation that is. There she goes. Apple HomePod Mini in all of its small glory. Typical Apple packaging. Nice little subtle, you guys can see that there. Subtle Apple branding. Well, one of the things I do not like, and I notice right away with this product, is it constantly has to be plugged into a wall. This is not a Bluetooth wireless product. It is meant and designated to be used at home. So, with that being said, if you are looking for something that is more suitable for traveling, this would not be what you want. This is more, for the Apple ecosystem, for the people like myself that have a lot of different things as far as Apple is concerned, like your laptop, your watch, your phone, things like that. It's meant for the ecosystem, and it's also meant to adapt seamlessly with all of your other iOS running devices. So that's more or less what it's for. It does pack a big punch. Supposedly the sound quality is really awesome. She's not that big. She's I would say 4 inches long, 5 inches high. I don't know. I'm not trying to get a ruler neither, but this thing is pretty awesome, man. Like I said, if you do have Apple products, you might want to think about picking something like this up. If you get 2 of them, it does this really cool stereo thingy there where they just coincide with each other, and it's actually really awesome. But one of my favorite things about this is Siri. Say things like, "Hey Siri, shuffle my library." Anything that has to do with Siri, this bad boy is going to run beautifully with it. That's what it's designed to do. Now, as far as literature is concerned and the packaging is concerned, just regular box. It does come with a fast charging brick. I believe this is a, what is this? 12 volts, 20 volts, something like that. Okay, so she is actually coming with a 20-watt fast charging brick. Now, if you guys saw my last unboxing video of the Apple Watch, you already know that Apple has done away with these, I don't know, are we gonna start calling them dinosaurs now? Are they obsolete? Apple seems to think so, because they're no longer involving or including these lovely bricks. So I'm surprised that not only did they include one, but they also gave you a fast charging 20-watt brick. Kudos to Apple. Okay, so this bad boy does have a USB-C port, for everybody out there that was wondering. Also has, man, this really cool texture. It's really cool braided, woven texture that is actually really cool to the touch. Another impressive display of hardware that Apple has provided to us again. Now, enough with the mumbo jumbo. You guys are here for one thing and one thing only. What is she capable of? How loud is she? And is it worth the $100 value? Let's find out. Okay, so today here with me, I have a very, very special guest that is going to be here to actually review the sound with me. I have my oldest son here with me, Kobe Mephisco. That's a little bit of an inside joke. When he was younger, he couldn't really pronounce his middle name, which happens to be Francisco. But he used to say Mephisco. So a little bit of an inside joke. But he is here. He's going to be testing out the sound quality on the HomePod Mini. He was also with me when we purchased it today at Best Buy. Did we not?
No, we didn't.
All right. So without further ado, let's get into the sound of the HomePod Mini. Okay, so without further ado, let's dig right into the sound quality of the HomePod Mini. Let's go. Think it's gonna be worth the money?
Yeah, I think so.
Let's see. Now the music that you hear in the background is actually from my debut album, Arraignment. So ready. All my reasons why. Yeah. I got my head high, you understand, right? The cruise in the Britain, can't lie. Since I let go of that damn pride, it's been a landslide. Come and get inside of this mind. Take what you want. Not bad for a little
I'm here for the art, don't be busy as hell.
Benny speaker.
Put it in motion, I show who's in charge. So who's to blame? Not the master, me and the Kunta Kane. I'm a steamroll on you, boot that ways. Get in the octagon with Vandalay, I'm just playing.
Got this really cool graphic in the front here. Volume up, volume down. Hey Siri, pause audio. There you have it, ladies and gentlemen. I think it's worth the $99. It just so happens to be my birthday month. Shout out to me, my birthday's this month on the 22nd. Leave those comments down below with all those birthday shout outs. But long story short, guys, if you are in the market for a home smart speaker, I would highly suggest the HomePod Mini. It's definitely worth it. It packs a loud punch for the size, for the price tag, and all of the other pretty dope things that it does. Okay guys, so I am sorry that we have not posted a video in a while. I was having some computer difficulties, but we are now back. We're going to be posting videos more than a couple times a week. We're going to be digging into some of the greatest, newest technology out. Theme park news, sports news. I cannot wait to talk about the start to the 2020-2021 NBA season and my New York Knickerbockers, who are off to a 5-3 start, and I cannot wait to dig into that. We're going to be digging into that. Probably drop a video about that tomorrow. That's probably going to be my next video. So stay tuned to that. Stay tuned for the review, the 2-month review of the PlayStation 5, which we do have one of those.
Yeah.
She's there in all its glory. Stay tuned for that, ladies and gentlemen. Judge the World is back. Tell your friend to tell your friend if they like sports, they like technology, anything that has to do with theme parks. Guys, we're going to be dipping into a lot of cool things on this channel. Gaming, right?
Yeah.
Kobe's an amazing gamer. He's going to be dipping into some things. He's going to be having his own little segment on Judge the World that happens to do with video gaming and stuff like that. So we're going to have a lot of fun on Judge the World for the year 2021. Guys, stay tuned. What's up?
Should we tell them about our theme park challenge that's coming up?
Stay tuned. We're going to be doing a theme park challenge. We're going to be doing a theme park challenge at Universal Orlando. And our theme park challenge is going to involve going to Universal Orlando bright and early and trying to ride every single ride that both parks have to offer. You think we can do it?
Yeah. It's not like all baby rides, but
Yeah, I mean, we're not gonna do like the little one fish, two fish, red fish, blue fish, whatever they have there. But we're going to try to accomplish riding every significant ride that an adult can possibly do, or a bigger kid can possibly do in one day at Universal Orlando. That means both parks. Stay tuned for that, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you very much for staying and checking out the review of the HomePod Mini. Like I said, definitely a must cop. Yeah. Thank you guys. See you guys next time. Judge the world. We out.
Yo, the baby's sleeping. And if you're gonna judge anything, how about you judge that floor is supposed to be mopping?
Mop the floor though.